everybody. I'm kind of talking quiet. Ospreys starting to come out and fly around. I'm on this trail here at Alto Lake again this morning. A couple of them just chasing each other down here, so I'm gonna get set up with my big lens and enjoy the view. Well, somebody stopped and chatted with me as the osprey were flying over, chasing each other over the water, and every time I got my gear set up, they stopped flying around. So, fish are still jumping. Ospreys are out here. They just kind of come in spurts. So, got my camera, my big lens ready. I'm going to do it handheld, I think. The slope on this ground here is kind of a pain to use the tripod. Comes a duck in for a landing. May get a few shots of them too. Hey everybody, out of breath. Carrying my big lens on the camera. Got my big backpack on. All my camera gear. Hiking this trail. I think they said it's 2.5 miles round trip. And it's 70 degrees, but whew, it's warm in that sun. So there's supposed to be a little waterfall down here. I'm not sure how big it is. Had several people tell me there's one down here. So that's what I'm hiking to go look at and see if it's worth shooting, which it probably will be. If nothing else, some video, make it slow-mo or something. So, yeah, I'm out of breath, like I said. Ugh. Too old and too out of shape to be doing this, I guess. So stick around. Well, I was walking this path and I saw a chipmunk moving around. I was going to go see if I can get a shot of it. I looked to the right and there's a deer, mule deer. See if I can zoom in a little bit more. Sorry, I'm hand holding this, it's a little shaky. There he goes, he's looking at me, or she's looking at me. Sorry, I'm out of breath and I'm breathing heavy too. It's not helping me here. That deer wasn't very far from me, maybe 20 yards, 30 yards. As I walked down the trail just a little bit more, I could hear the water running. Maybe it's the infamous waterfall I'm looking for. Running down there. It's not much of a waterfall, it's just some flowing, but it's nice. I'm gonna walk out here on this rock ledge here. Nice and shady up here. Ready? That must be the one they're talking about down there. Sorry I'm bouncing around, folks. See if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, I can do something with that. I'll make my way down here. I made it down here. And up there is where I was standing a minute ago. Nice little peaceful area. Well, got done shooting over there at the waterfall. A high school AP class from Roswell stopped by. Not for me. They were checking the water and testing it and stuff as part of an assignment for school. Met their teacher, super nice guy. Sat there and chit-chatted. Clouds are starting to roll in now. It's cooled off some. So I'm headed back. And I guess this will be the end of the video. Unless I come across some osprey when I walk past the lake again. So, getting pretty hungry, thirsty. Time to call it a day. Thanks for watching.